All right, guys, we are $29.10 plus 10% buyer's premium, I think, or $28.50, 10% buyer's premium. And what did I buy this unit for? It looks so weird. So it actually almost looked like it would damn near fit in one time, wouldn't it? It might actually all fit in here. This is what made me buy the unit right here, was these pieces here that look like there's some big money, and then the pallets could have just about anything on them. We're about to find out right now. Looks like a lot of wood back there. What the hell?
Yeah, there is.
Let's just start seeing what's here on the pallets, you know? What is this? That is a piece of wood. That's weird. A lot of flat stuff.
This is all wood.
Yeah, it's not as the type of, it's like a chair thing. Not as much, not what I thought they were. I thought they were freaking, I brought these things to roll them up easier. That's what I brought those for. Let's see what we got here. What is this? This doesn't even make sense. Wow, that's kind of cool. It looks like some type of weird little, like, garden cart type thing or something there. Okay, this looks sellable at least. Says SQ restaurant. Looks like we got some restaurant stuff here, guys. 2-3 tier shelving, like a baker's rack. And then, all right. What's that? What's that? No. This looks like a little patio set, so that's pretty sellable. Looks like we got a couple of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just call those $100 sets. So we might be able to get, might be a little good buy. I don't know. It might be a little bit of a good buy. I don't even know what those are worth. They seem to be taken apart. And cafe furniture, that's what Mr. Storage Stalker saw. That's what the storage stalker saw. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully those turn out to be good, because we need to make some money on this. Oh, well, that's one thing that's good, is there's 1, 2. Okay. So that's where we're going to be all right at, is there's 4 carts. There's 4 carts. We got what looks like a pretty brand new mini fridge right here. This is, looks like we got 4 of these babies here, and those are really nothing. They're just some type of, those are absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. I say we just load all the flat stuff up in there. This is a Lego wall. That's so, yeah. Okay. So I don't know what the heck that is. There's 2 of those. We'll load all the flat stuff front and then try to get these carts in afterwards. Make like a wall out of it. There's 4 pedestals, guys, so I don't know, the pedestals are probably a complete wash. Say these are probably, if I had to guess, 40 bucks, maybe something like that. They're like pedestals, you know? They don't make sense. It's kind of weird. Like, what they do, make a little store somewhere?
Exactly
You know?
what they did.
Load it all. Oh, probably should go with these ones first, huh? They're longer.
Wow. Ow.
Hang on.
Okay. That's a nice start. Now, I gotta get my end up and over so
This is weird. Weird beard. This is pretty much garbage, sadly.
yeah.
I mean, that's kind of cool. Those are what, 20 bucks a piece at the flea market, I think. I'm gonna guess. Oh, it's the stuff they would hide their ice cream in. That's what I'm thinking. Like a lot of weird stuff here, guys. Kind of. We got pillows. Yeah, I don't know. This is weird. All right, so one thing I'm liking right off the bat. These look pretty legit, guys. These look pretty legit. They're pretty clean. They each come with some form of electricity. Oh, they were selling drinks out of them. Square unboxed. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. I'm guessing you could do ice cream too, but we can start. Get one. I'll get you out in front of Home Depot. I'll get Alex in front of a Starbucks. Get Sticks Picks out in front of a Kmart. You know what I mean?
Put Chris on Monument.
Uncle Chris right on Monument because he don't got to travel far. And this is going to be a business in a box, guys. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So yeah, I'm going to call these like $100 sets right here because I think that we can put them up there. I hope. Let's just speculate here, you know. Believe it or not, I would say I have about, I would say 200 bucks in wood. Let's just speculate. Maybe less, maybe more. Let's just call it 200 bucks in wood. 400 bucks for 4 of these. 150 for 4 of those. Yeah, these are definitely golf tees. They're like little giveaway things, and that's like not that special, but you know, I'll probably run those in a lot on whatnot. Got a $20 TV. Maybe if it even works. Looks like we got a couple dollars in rugs and stuff, you know, $5, $10 items at the flea market. Well, that's kind of cool because they already say storage auction pirate SAP business 1. Let's go. Maybe $10, $20 rug right there, and then another rug here from Uncle Michael. Probably $10, $20 on these rugs. I'm not here to make try to extract every dollar on them. Look, 1, 2, 3 more rugs. These are pretty cool. Someone will like those at the flea market. The chairs are money too. Like this is probably, I would say we got $30 in chairs for certain right there. They're not nothing special. We got a little bubbling going on. What the? Some IKEA stuff here. Some honey almond beach. What up, beach? I need the room divider. Oh, it's a little used. Still maybe 20 bucks. $20 bill here. Oh yeah, little bamboo rice paper design. I'll take the pallets. All right, turn that one that way. There we go. All right, guys, that was somewhat of a piece of cake. That's the wrap, guys. Let's go back to the warehouse and see if one of these babies work. Well, guys, I got these back to the warehouse and boom, I aired up the tires. I fricked up on this one. I put it up too much and look. So I bummer messed up the tube on that one. I plugged them in. They work great. I listed them for $2,000 a piece. I don't know if that's going to be too much, but if I get 4 times 2, that's 8,000. That'll put me at 5,000 profit pretty much, give or take. In the truck, I already told you the money on that. We'll see what happens. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and say something pretty.